Hello everyone, this is Saujan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna see how to build an electronic voting machine using Arduino Uno. So let's get started. In this project, I have used three candidates as an input. Candidate A, B and C, and I have used matrix keypad. You can use either push buttons or matrix keypad. The components required are Arduino Uno, 4x4 matrix keypad or push button, 10K potentiometer, LCD display, and some jumper wires. The circuit diagram is as shown. Take the LCD and short VSS to anode and VDD to cathode. Take the pot and connect to the LCD in such a way that the first point of the pot should be connected to the VSS and the second point should be connected to VDD and the third point should be connected to the V0. This pot or potentiometer is used to vary the brightness of the LCD display. Now take the jumper wires and connect RSS to the 12th number of the Arduino Uno. Now connect RW to ground. Connect enable of the LCD to the pin number 13 of the Arduino. And then connect D4 of the LCD to the 5th pin of the Arduino. In the same way, connect D5 to pin 4, D6 to pin 3, D7 to pin 2. Now connect anode to 5 volts and cathode to ground. Now coming to the switch part. As I told earlier, I am using switch keypad, that is 4x4 matrix keypad. You can use push buttons too. Now connect column 0 of the keypad to the 6th pin of the Arduino. If you don't know what is the column and rows in the keypad, then go through the image which is been displayed in the screen. In the same way, connect column 1 of the keypad to the 7th pin of the Arduino, column 2 of the keypad to the 8th pin of the Arduino, and column 3 of the keypad to the 10th pin of the Arduino. Now connect R0 of the keypad to the ground. So there we complete the connection part of the project. Now let us move on to coding part. So guys, finally we have arrived at the output part. So if we give three equal numbers, then there will be a tie. If any one of the candidate gets more numbers, then he will be the winner. If you simply press the vote button without casting any vote, then it will show no votes found. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you have any comments, then do comment me in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thank you.